Welcome back to applelnsider, the channel where we explore the most exciting gadgets in the tech world and give you a closer look at what makes them worth your attention. Today, we're diving deep into a Motorola device that has been turning heads and redefining expectations in its segment. Motorola has always carried a legacy of strong build, reliable performance, and innovation that stays grounded in practicality. With this latest model, they aim to merge tradition with modern technology, making a device that feels both familiar and fresh. Let's break it down point by point and see if Motorola truly delivers on its promises. First, design and build quality. Motorola has always been admired for its robust and reliable hardware. This phone continues that heritage with a design that feels premium yet practical. The chassis combines a polished aluminum frame with a textured back that not only looks elegant but also offers excellent grip. The attention to detail is remarkable, with smooth edges, perfectly placed buttons, and a lightweight profile that balances well in hand. What makes the design impressive is its durability. Motorola has engineered it with water-repellent protection, making it resistant to splashes and minor spills, something you won't always see in this price range. The phone also embraces minimalism with slim bezels and a balanced weight distribution that gives it both beauty and comfort. Holding this device, you realize it's not just another smartphone, it's a well-crafted tool built for everyday life, whether you're a casual user or someone who pushes their device hard. It feels like Motorola truly understands that design isn't just about how a phone looks, but also how it interacts with you daily. Next, the display. Motorola has packed this device with a vibrant screen that brings content to life. It offers a full high-definition panel with excellent brightness levels and crisp details. Whether you're scrolling through your social feed, watching movies, or gaming, the colors pop with accuracy and balance. Blacks are deep, whites are clear, and the viewing angles are impressive. The high refresh rate adds fluidity to animations and gestures, making the experience smooth and delightful. What stands out is how Motorola has calibrated the display for real-world usage. It adapts well to outdoor visibility, keeping the screen legible even under direct sunlight. The size is generous, large enough to feel immersive, but compact enough to remain practical. With thin bezels and a punch-hole front camera, the screen feels expansive and modern. Motorola's choice of panel technology also enhances power efficiency, which ties directly into the battery experience later on. In daily use, the display gives you a premium feel without overwhelming you with unnecessary gimmicks. It is practical, sharp, and ready to handle everything from productivity tasks to entertainment marathons. Third, performance. Under the hood, Motorola has equipped this phone with a chipset that delivers consistent speed and stability. Paired with ample RAM, the phone manages multitasking effortlessly. Opening apps, switching between them, and even running heavier workloads feels snappy and responsive. Gaming performance is reliable, offering smooth frame rates on most titles without heating issues. The optimization between hardware and software is evident, as Motorola's lightweight skin ensures you get the most out of the processor without unnecessary lags or slowdowns. Storage options are generous, and expandable memory gives you flexibility for photos, videos, and apps. What really makes the performance shine is how reliable it feels in day-to-day usage. You don't have to worry about stutters, crashes, or delays. From handling productivity tools to running high-demand apps, the phone keeps up seamlessly. Motorola has struck a balance between raw power and efficiency, making the phone capable without draining the battery too quickly. For its price, the performance feels like it belongs in a higher category, and that is a major win. Fourth, the camera. Motorola's camera system is designed to be versatile and user-friendly. The primary lens captures sharp, detailed images with accurate colors and good dynamic range. In daylight, photos are vibrant and clear, capturing even subtle textures. Low-light performance is supported by advanced night modes that brighten up shots without washing out details. The ultra-wide lens expands your creativity, allowing you to capture landscapes, group photos, and unique perspectives. The macro mode lets you get close to subjects, revealing details you wouldn't normally notice. Video recording is stable and smooth, with features like electronic stabilization ensuring your clips look professional. The front camera delivers crisp selfies with natural skin tones, and it handles video calls with clarity. Motorola's camera app is intuitive, with modes like portrait, panorama, and Pro controls giving you flexibility depending on your skill level. It's not just about having cameras, it's about how well they work together, and Motorola has ensured consistency across its lenses. The result is a camera system that feels dependable, ready to capture both everyday memories and creative experiments. Now, battery life. Motorola has earned a strong reputation here, and this phone continues the tradition. The large battery easily powers you through a full day of heavy use and often stretches into a second day with moderate usage. Even with the high refresh rate display and powerful chipset, optimization ensures efficient consumption. Streaming, browsing, gaming, or working on the go, the phone consistently delivers endurance. When you do need to recharge, fast charging support gets you back to full quickly, reducing downtime. Motorola's smart battery management features also adapt to your usage, learning your habits and conserving power when it matters. This means fewer worries about carrying a charger everywhere you go. In a world where battery anxiety is real, Motorola provides a level of confidence that few competitors manage at this level. The combination of endurance, efficiency, and charging speed makes the battery experience one of the standout aspects of this device. Next, software and features. Motorola has always emphasized a near-stock Android experience, and this phone continues that philosophy. The interface is clean, uncluttered, and free from heavy bloatware. Updates and security patches are promised consistently, which adds trust in long-term usability. What sets Motorola apart is its suite of subtle yet powerful features under the MyUX branding. You get gestures like chopping the phone twice to turn on the flashlight, twisting your wrist to launch the camera, and edge gestures that make one-handed use easier. These features feel natural and add convenience without overwhelming the user. Motorola also includes thoughtful additions like peak display for notifications and attentive display that keeps the screen on while you're looking at it. The balance between stock Android simplicity and Motorola's smart extras makes the software experience not only smooth but also genuinely useful. For people who appreciate clean, fast, and reliable software with a touch of personalization, Motorola nails it here. Finally, value for money. This is where Motorola's strategy becomes clear. The phone is priced competitively while offering features and performance that often match or exceed more expensive rivals. You get premium build quality, a vibrant display, reliable performance, versatile cameras, and excellent battery life, all wrapped in clean software. When you compare this package to the competition, it becomes obvious that Motorola is aiming to give users a flagship-like experience without demanding flagship-level prices. It's not about being the flashiest phone on the market, it's about being the most balanced, and that's what makes it such a strong value proposition. For students, professionals, or even casual users, the phone offers something that feels worth every penny. Motorola's commitment to durability and longevity also means you can trust this device to serve you well over time, further enhancing its value. In conclusion, Motorola has once again proven why it deserves to be a respected name in the smartphone industry. This device combines design that feels premium, a display that's vibrant and practical, performance that's smooth and reliable, cameras that are versatile and dependable, and battery life that gives you confidence. Add to that clean software with thoughtful features and a price tag that makes sense, and you have a phone that doesn't just compete but excels. It's a reminder that smartphones don't always need gimmicks to impress. Sometimes, what truly matters is balance, reliability, and value. Motorola has delivered a product that embodies those qualities beautifully. If you're looking for a phone that won't let you down, this might just be the perfect choice. This has been Apple